A very good morning to Miss Salini. My name is Kang Ping Shen and my group mates Edmund, Kachun, Jiaqi and Nico. Nowadays, distribution management plays an important role towards the success of a company. So today, we will be presenting a video of the company Tesco about their current distribution management, mainly logistics and distribution activities, issues and challenges faced on distribution channels, and lastly, the improvement on distribution management that can be made.
How distribution management currently managed by Tesco. There are 5 main pillars of the evaluation of distribution management, which are direct-to-store delivery, centralizations, composites, critical collaborations, and managing complexity. Now, Tesco are using complexity management. Competitive management is a business methodology that deals with the analysis and optimizations of complexity in enterprise. Tesco stores will develop with different sizes according to their locations. Next, online shopping, which are the prevailing trend now. Tesco.com was established by 2003. Its help covered 96% of UK populations graphically. Others such as RFID technologies are important and useful to Tesco.
Next, I will present the main logistic and distribution activities of Tesco. First is cross-docking. The key benefit for Tesco to implement cross-docking heavily is mainly because of the reduced cost, simpler material handling and less storage required, and also to process inventories immediately so that products reach their destinations as fast as possible. Less handling also means human errors are less likely to happen. Therefore, it is very logical for Tesco to implement cross-docking in order to distribute its inventories, since a large percentage of Tesco products are perishable goods. As a result, instead of ordering bulk orders to be stored in a centralized warehouse, Tesco is able to achieve continuous replenishment for its retail stores. Second is online orders fulfillment. To fulfill orders generated online, Tesco will assign a personal shopper staff for each order to pick up items from shelves of the retail store closest to the customer's home instead of sending products from centralized warehouse. The online shopping application provided by Tesco will link to the retailer's inventory system so that customers are able to check real-time stock availability before placing any orders. Since online orders are fulfilled by stores, this helps Tesco to avoid keeping too much inventories in their central warehouse. I will present the issues and challenges faced by Tesco in their distribution channels. Although there are significant quality and control mechanisms that form a part of the Tesco supply chain with regards to their upstream operation, the complexity of the supply chain itself has resulted in some discrepancy in the supply chain. Next, although the manufacturing process of Tesco is vertically integrated into the supply chain, this gives Tesco less control over the manufacturing process and therefore may present difficulty in maintenance of standards in the long term. Besides that, the goods receiving process at retail warehouses and distribution centers in Central Europe of Tesco were managed by basic spreadsheet-based tool. Therefore, it results in poor visibility for carriers on the length of time trucks would need to wait for unloading at the distribution centers. Lastly, RFID technology is not mature enough to be adopted as there is a lack of agreement concerning standards for the technologies and uncertain return of investment.
There are 5 ways that Tesco can improve distribution management in their logistics system. The first way is to complete the customer order successfully. This means that at the right time will be the right goods delivered to the right customer. Then, the second way is to deliver customer value consistently. This means providing your customer with what they are needed. Your supply chain should be consistent with the value of your customer. The third way is to adapt to market change quickly. This means building a supply chain that can quickly respond to market change, such as disruptive new technologies or competitor new product. The fourth way is to respond quickly to potential interruption. This means understanding the risk and developing contingency plan for everything that may affect the supply chain. Lastly, the last way is to improve the bottom line. This means not only saving costs, but also finding ways to create value by increasing sales or entering new markets through innovative distribution strategies.
As a conclusion, effective distribution management of Tesco has successfully led them into one of the top retailers in the world. And that's all for our video. Thank you.